Xiaomi releases new 67W 20K power bank in more countries. Xiaomi is now selling its 67W power bank 20,000 integrated cable in more European countries. This portable accessory offers 3 outputs, an integrated USB-C cable and 2 USB ports with a 20,000 mAh capacity. It supports various fast charging protocols and also has a low current mode. The Xiaomi 67W Power Bank 20,000 integrated cable has arrived in more European countries. This accessory launched in China earlier this year and first landed in Europe in mid-November 2025. Now, you can buy the Xiaomi 67W Power Bank 20,000 integrated cable in France for €41.39, thanks to a 10% discount on the €45.99 RRP. It can also be purchased from the Mi Store in Spain, where it is priced at €49.99. It was already available at the brand's online store in Germany, retailing for €45.99. Xiaomi's 67W Power Bank 20,000 can be used to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. Its outputs include an integrated USB-C cable, a USB-C port, and a USB-A port. The maximum 67W power is available via USB-C when charging a single device. Xiaomi suggests that, at 67W, you should be able to charge a Xiaomi 15 smartphone to 67% in 30 minutes. When using all 3 ports at the same time, the maximum combined output is said to be 15W. The Xiaomi power bank supports fast charging protocols such as PD 3.0, PPS, and QC 3.5, and it also offers a low current mode. According to the product page, the 20,000 mAh battery would enable you to charge a Xiaomi 15 2.6 times, or a MacBook Air 13 4 once. The power bank charges via a 65W USB-C input, fully recharging in around 2.5 hours.